Maintaining a rental property is a shared responsibility between you as the property owner and your tenants as the property inhabitants. How do you decide who's responsible for what? Don't overcomplicate it. Be clear with your expectations and communicate those to the tenant. That's the best way to ensure nothing gets missed. All of your responsibilities and your tenant's responsibilities should be clearly spelled out in the lease agreement. This is the first place your tenants will turn if they aren't sure about something. Make sure it's not buried in lease language. Leave a clear and direct list of what the tenant is responsible for and what you'll take care of yourself. As the landlord, you're responsible for providing a safe, habitable, and clean rental property for your tenants. You're also required to respond to any requests for maintenance or repairs that are necessary. Plumbing, HVAC, electric, roofing, it's all you. Tenants can be responsible for air filter changes, minor repairs that don't require a vendor, and sometimes lawn care and landscaping. You can also require tenants to pay for any damages that they cause. Discuss and reinforce responsibilities with your tenants whenever you can. This will lead to better maintenance and also to better landlord-tenant relationships. Help them get started with their utility accounts and make sure they understand your requirements for renter's insurance. Professional Roseville property managers can help you manage landlord and tenant responsibilities, especially where maintenance is concerned. If you need a little support, contact us at Action Properties.